In the world where digital realms intertwine in everyday life, understanding digital law is more crucial than ever before. Let's talk about digital law, also known as a cyber law or internet law. Refers to legal framework that governs the use of digital technology, the internet, and cyberspace. Digital law addresses the legal rights, responsibilities, and obligations of an individual, businesses, governments, and other entities in the digital realm, aiming to ensure that transaction and interaction conducted online are fair, secure, and lawful. It encompasses a wide range of legal issues related to online activities such as data privacy, cybersecurity, intellectual property rights, online commerce, digital rights, and freedom of expression. Digital law plays a crucial role in shaping the legal landscape of digital age, promoting responsible behavior, protecting rights, and fostering trust and confidence in digital interaction and transactions. Republic Act Number 10173 or the Data Privacy Act of 2012. This law governs the protection of personnel in both government and private sectors. It established guidelines for the protection, processing, and safeguarding for personal information to ensure the privacy of individuals. Republic Act 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. This law addresses offenses related to the use of technology such as hacking, identity theft, cyber sex, and online fraud. It also provides provision for the prevention, investigation, and prosecution of cybercrimes. Republic Act 8792 or the Electronic Commerce Act of 2000. This law facilitates electronic transaction and promotes the use of electronic data messages, electronic documents, and electronic signature in commercial and non-commercial transactions. It provides a legal framework for electronic commerce, including electronic contracts and online transactions. Republic Act 10639 or the Free Mobile Disaster Alert Act. This law requires the mobile services provides to send free mobile alerts in the event of natural and man-made disasters, providing vital information to the public via SMS and other messaging platforms. For our conclusion, by adhering to this law, we can harness the power of digital innovation responsibly, fostering a safer and more inclusive digital environment for all. As technology continues to shape our lives, let us remain vigilant and upholding this principle of legality, integrity, and accountability in the digital realm. Again, this is Christian. Thanks for watching.